Today, I will show how to buy shares of Raymond James Financial Inc. in a clear step-by-step way. Raymond James is a U.S. financial services and wealth management firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RJF, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RJF to find Raymond James Financial Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you locate the correct company. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the company name and the RJF ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the purchase completes, the position will appear in your portfolio. You can follow the example link in the description to open eToro and try these steps yourself.